an effective way to clean your glasses without streaks or scratches. Opticians do this quietly. If you wear glasses, you definitely know this problem. Greasy marks and fingerprints appear on the lenses very quickly, making it hard to see clearly. I'll show you a simple way to clean your glasses properly. Prepare a bowl and start by rinsing your glasses with warm water. This is a basic step that removes dust, sand, and small particles. The water should not be too hot, as it could damage the lens coating. Next, prepare a clean bowl and pour in fresh water. Add 1 drop of dish soap. It breaks down grease effectively and removes oily residue. Mix everything gently. Place the glasses in the bowl for about 1 minute. Carefully clean the lenses with your fingers so the soap reaches the entire surface. This removes streaks and buildup. The next step is to rinse the glasses thoroughly under clean water so no detergent remains, as residue can leave a film on the lenses. Then gently remove excess water. If any drops remain, lightly dry the lenses with a microfiber cloth. Wipe the frames as well, including hard-to-reach areas. Leftover moisture quickly attracts dust and dirt, and that's it. Now your glasses look and feel like brand new. They're clean, crystal clear, free of streaks and fingerprints, and your vision becomes sharp and comfortable. Anyone who wears glasses is familiar with this issue. In winter, when you move from cold outdoor air into a warm room, your lenses immediately fog up, making it difficult to see anything. This can also be dangerous in many situations. Cold glasses exposed to warm, humid air cause water vapor to condense on their surface, a problem triggered by sudden temperature changes. There are many anti-fog products available on the market, but they're often quite expensive. Moreover, we don't always have them on hand when we need them the most. Here's a simple and inexpensive solution to prevent your glasses from fogging up, using items you already have at home. Apply 1 drop of glycerin to each lens, both on the inside and outside. Then polish the lenses with a clean cloth. If you don't have glycerin at home, shaving foam will work as well. Apply it directly to your glasses and thoroughly rub the product into the lenses. Shaving foam reduces surface tension, effectively preventing water vapor from condensing on your glasses. This simple trick will keep your glasses fog-free, no matter how large the temperature difference is.